Now this is my side release whistle black buckle 3/4 inch strap I got off of eBay. It was 65 cents shipped from China. Looks like a pretty decent buckle. There's the whistle part of it there. I'm gonna blow it. It's not real loud. So I guess that part of it is not all that impressive, but being how small the whistle piece is, you can see my finger next to the actual whistle, and there's the hole the air comes out when you blow into it, so it's not going to be very loud. Kind of a gimmick.